Here is how to set up automated payment reminders in Clio Manage. Once you are already signed in, move to the left navigation menu and click Settings. This opens the main area where account and workflow options are managed. Under Clio Settings, select Billing. That takes you into the billing configuration area where reminder behavior for outstanding bills can be adjusted. From there, open the Bill Reminders section or tab. The label may appear directly in the billing settings area, depending on your layout. When that section is open, look for the option that enables bill reminders and switch it on. This turns on the reminder feature, so Clio Manage can begin using the schedule you set for unpaid bills. Next, choose when the first payment reminder should go out for an outstanding bill. This setting controls how long Clio Manage waits before sending the first reminder after the bill becomes eligible. Pick the timing that matches your billing process and the communication pace you want clients to receive. After the first reminder is set, configure any additional reminder schedules you want to use for bills that are still unpaid. You can add follow-up timing based on your preferred interval. Review each schedule carefully so the reminders are spaced the way you intend. The common detail to watch here is the order of the reminders, since the timing should progress in a clear sequence. If Clio Manage provides editable message fields in this area, review the email subject and the message that clients will receive. You can keep the default wording or customize it to match your firm's tone and billing language. As you review the message, make sure the wording is appropriate for a payment reminder and matches the schedule you just configured. Before saving, take a moment to review the full reminder setup. Confirm that bill reminders are enabled, check the timing for the first reminder, and look over any additional reminders you added. Then review the email subject and message one more time, where those options are available. This final check helps ensure the reminders go out with the schedule and wording you expect. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. Saving applies the billing reminder settings and enables the automated reminders you configured. From that point forward, Clio Manage will automatically send reminders for eligible outstanding bills according to the schedule in your settings. That means the system handles the reminder timing in the background based on the billing preferences you just saved. If a bill qualifies under those settings and remains unpaid, the reminders will be sent automatically using the subject and message you reviewed. Thanks for watching. Your automated payment reminders in Clio Manage are now set up and ready to send for eligible outstanding bills.